Welcome back everybody, and for this episode you joined us for our Mini Cooper S R56 build, and we've got some wheels. Woo! The big F. Nope. So she will need a spacer. Try number 2 with a 12mm spacer. It's on empty. Yeah. They're on. 12mm spacer. Nice bit of clearance. Probably I can just about get my fingertip between the spokes. It is. So maybe between 5 and 10mm. But it spins lovely. Oof. Right then, so if anyone wants the magic question of what did it take to clear the big brake kit from Airifix, we've got Team Dynamics Pro Race 1.2s, which are getting quite hard to get, but we've managed to find a set brand new from Lohen. Offset is ET38, and there is 17x7. PCD, obviously you should know that if you're looking this far into doing a build, but they're 4x100. So it didn't go straight on. It did have a little bit of clearance issue, but with a 12mm spacer, it clears massively. So we're probably going to look at getting maybe 6mm or somewhere around that, or see if see what we can get anyway. But yeah, weapon. And we've also got another little addition to the build. That's standard Cooper S manifold. A lot of people with the Cooper S's put the JCW exhaust manifolds on. Because apparently they flow better and they're a bit stronger. What's happened with this one is quite common. Let's just see if we can get it on the camera. Right there, there's a crack, airline crack, and it disappears off. So we looked around and we've got some plans in the making for it anyway, but what we've ended up doing is buying this beast. Now this is a Duranza exhaust manifold, and they retail around about 450 quid, and it is still a log, but it flows a hell of a lot more. And rather than let's pick it up, if you can see in the port there, you've got a massive gaping hole for it to flow through, as opposed to the original, which almost shares a port between 3 and 4. So we've got massively increased flow. So we're hoping we get a little less turbo lag, a little bit more power. But once it's built and it's running, we'll chuck it on the dyno and we'll find out. So if you got to this point in the video, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe guys, and yeah, we'll see you soon.